The legendary multi-fuel WhisperLite International has been the industry standard since its inception. Over that time, we have accumulated a significant amount of feedback and have been able to fine-tune it to be an even tougher stove to beat. The new 2012 model has been upgraded to deliver superior stability, lighter weight, easier maintenance, and greater overall performance. We brought these benefits forward to become the foundation of the new hybrid fuel WhisperLite Universal Stove, delivering market-leading performance and innovation. With patent-pending technology, we've created one of the lightest, most versatile hybrid fuel stoves available, offering uncompromised performance with canister fuel, white gas, kerosene, and unleaded gas. An included canister stand also allows it to run on inverted canisters for improved cold weather and low fuel performance. Both the WhisperLite International and WhisperLite Universal stoves benefit from new stamped stainless steel legs and serrated pot supports for stove stability and use with larger cookware. In addition, the stove legs are now fixed to the stove assembly, greatly simplifying the process of changing fuel jets and cleaning the stove. An aluminum burner tube reduces overall weight, and we've refined the geometry of the generator loop for even greater performance across fuel types. Building on this foundation, the WhisperLite Universal Stove adds the versatility of hybrid fuel performance, burning canister fuel as well as white gas, kerosene, and unleaded gasoline. Though a few other stoves can also burn a similar spectrum of fuels, none combine the advantages of low weight, excellent value, and consistently high performance into a single stove. We've taken a proven platform and made it even better. The new WhisperLite International and WhisperLite Universal meet our high standards for quality, reliability, and performance. The new WhisperLite Universal in particular expands on the platform by allowing the stove to operate in liquid feed canister mode, and it does so extremely efficiently with the use of our air control technology. With the added versatility and performance of these new stoves, even die-hard fans of the old WhisperLites are going to be excited about these new offerings.